Hello, welcome to Makeup on Point. I'm Christy, and welcome to another day of movies and Halloween makeup. I'm very chilled out today. I got my weirdo hoodie from Celina Spooky Boo. Love her. We're actually going to be doing something very simple today, actually. Just to tone it down for like those Halloween people that you want to put a little something on, but you don't want to go too crazy. So today we're actually going to concentrate on the movie The Craft. And I'm going to turn myself into Nancy Downs from the movie. Now she's very just simple black eye makeup, dark lipstick. I have a wig, I have accessories. So if you want to learn a little simpler Halloween look, just stick around and tune in to the next slide. Alright, so I did my eyebrows off camera, made them a little thinner 90s-esque brows, and then I did one eye off camera, so let's do the other one. Now I'm going to be using my Wana Watch a Scary Movie palette from Celina Spooky Boo. Now let's start off by priming our eyes first and just blending pretty much a very light concealer all over my eyes. And then using an off-white color, I'm just going to blend that underneath my brow bone and a little bit in my inner corner, and using that white on the inner corner as well. This is just going to help for blending much later on. Now I'm taking this black eyeshadow from the palette and I'm just going to pack that all over my eyelid. And since I'm going for the more 90s-esque look, I'm not blending this out too far. I'm kind of keeping it closed in more, since 90s eyeshadow wasn't really blended far out like how I usually do my eyeshadow. So I kind of kept it short and knit and used smaller eyeshadow brushes and just kind of blended the edges so they wouldn't look so like stark and just raggedy. I'm going to take my black gel liner and I'll put that all over my waterline and tight line because Nancy had it all over her eye. And now I'm just going to go with my foundation as normal. Now taking that concealer that I used before to prime my eyes with, I'm going to actually use it as my concealer everywhere else for my highlighted areas. Now I'm just using this to mix with my foundation to give me a more paler complexion, just to give it a little extra Halloween look to it. And now set everything with powder. I'm just using a translucent one. Contour. Now this I was keeping very small and light since Nancy doesn't seem to have a lot of contour for her face makeup, so I kind of kept it just brief and subtle, for me at least. And we're skipping blush completely, but I'm gonna highlight the hell out of my face because I can't resist highlight ever. At this point, I decided that I wanted my brows to be a little bit darker, so I took that black eyeshadow that we used for my eyes and I just roughly filled them in more. And then I took that same black eyeshadow on this little smudger brush just to connect my bottom lash line with my top line and just blend it out. But again, not too far out because all the blending in her makeup is very close to the eye, not blended out too far. And now I'm just adding a basic line just on my upper lash line just for my lashes to have a base. And just curl your lashes and add mascara. Also on your bottom lashes, but don't go too ham and make a mistake like I did here and freak out. But I just waited for it to dry and then you just take a spoolie to scratch it off and add your foundation on top of it the best you could to cover it back up. You know, quick little mistakes, we all make them. Now add lashes. These are also from Celina Spooky Boo, so adorable. Last but not least, the lips. So I'm going in with this dark purplish berry color. I'm just going to outline my lips first because I wanted a dark outer lip line. Once you're done with your outline, just add the red lip in the middle and then you just blend in with the brush and just dab, dab, dab and swipe. And you can go in and out with adding either the darker color or the red color. And you pretty much have your lip for Nancy Downs. Now that the makeup portion is done for Nancy Downs, let's get her wig on and get dressed. And let's get to it. we are now Nancy Downs from The Craft. My hair is a little bit bigger and wilder than hers, but you work with what you got with the wig that you can find closest to her. I just accessorize a lot. I added just a black dress, and I'm feeling this feels fun. Well, I hope you enjoyed getting Nancy-fied. That'll be the word for today. Hope you enjoyed getting Nancy-fied with me today. If you like this look, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. And don't forget to press the notification bell so you get notifications every time I upload a new video. As always, be kind to others, love yourself, stay safe, and stay healthy this Halloween. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!